This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2. To begin your journey, you will first create a Guardian, choosing from 3 distinct classes: the Agile Hunter, the Powerful Titan, or the Mystical Warlock. Your initial steps involve completing the new Light Quest, which introduces you to the game's core mechanics and story. This foundational experience will prepare you for the vast universe ahead, where you will constantly seek to improve your character. Combat in Destiny 2 is dynamic, blending gunplay with powerful abilities. Each class possesses unique supers, grenades, and melee attacks that are crucial for success. You will wield 3 weapon types: kinetic, energy, and power, each serving distinct roles. Learning to match elemental damage to enemy shields is vital for efficiency. The game offers both cooperative player versus environment and competitive player versus player experiences. Progression in Destiny 2 revolves around increasing your power level, which dictates your effectiveness in activities. You achieve this by acquiring new gear with higher power ratings. Seek out exotic items, as they offer powerful, unique perks that can define your playstyle. Regularly complete bounties and weekly challenges to earn valuable experience and resources, further enhancing your Guardian's capabilities and appearance. Once you have a strong Guardian, the endgame truly begins. Raids are 6-player cooperative activities requiring teamwork and strategy, offering some of the game's best rewards. Dungeons provide 3-player challenges with unique mechanics and loot. For competitive players, Trials of Osiris offers intense player versus player combat. Grandmaster Nightfalls present the ultimate cooperative test, demanding precision and coordination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.